As daylight fades, a different side of the city begins to appear. The streets grow busier, and every corner feels alive. Welcome to Tel Aviv, where nightlife isn't just part of the culture, it's part of everyday life, with more bars per capita than anywhere else in the Middle East. This city keeps moving long after midnight. Tonight, we're exploring it. If Tel Aviv has a creative soul, you're looking at it. This is Florentin, a neighborhood where almost every wall has something to say. Colorful murals, tiny cafés, live music, and bars hidden behind simple doors. Nothing here feels polished. That's exactly why people love it. As the evening grows darker, the streets only become louder, and every corner feels like another discovery. Good nightlife always comes with good food. Long after dinner, these small food stands are still busy. One of the local favorites is sabish, soft pita, fried eggplant, hard-boiled eggs, fresh vegetables, and creamy tahini. Simple, messy, delicious. It's the kind of meal that somehow tastes even better after midnight. Just a few streets away, the city finds a different rhythm. This is Rothschild Boulevard, a place where there's no hurry, only the simple joy of being out. People wander without a destination. Friends stop for one more conversation. The streets stay alive, long after the sun has disappeared. Every step feels effortless. Every moment invites you to keep exploring. Because on Rothschild Boulevard, the journey itself becomes part of the nightlife. And in Tel Aviv, sometimes the best memories aren't planned. They happen, one walk at a time. Earlier today, this place was packed. Now, Carmel Market is winding down. The stalls begin to close, boxes disappear, lights switch off, but the city never really sleeps. As one part of Tel Aviv ends its day, another is only getting started. The quiet here makes what's waiting ahead feel even more exciting. There's something special about walking toward the Mediterranean. At night, the air changes, the sound of traffic fades, the waves slowly take over, and suddenly, the city feels completely different. Most cities empty out after midnight. Tel Aviv heads for the beach. The promenade stays alive. There's no rush here, no pressure to call it a night. People simply enjoy being outside, listening to the sea, watching the lights reflect across the water, and reminding themselves why this city has earned its reputation as one of the world's great nightlife destinations. Maybe that's what makes Tel Aviv unforgettable. It's not just the bars or the nightlife, or even the beaches. It's the feeling that the city always has one more story, waiting around the next corner. Every neighborhood has its own rhythm, every street, its own personality, and every night feels just a little different. If you enjoyed walking through Tel Aviv with us, don't forget to subscribe to Tripinn, because somewhere in the world, another incredible night walk is already waiting. We'll see you in the next destination.